Bud, let's do it.
All right, y'all. I'm next. Great job. All right, Dad. Me getting in the car, pulling off, and go to the stand to get me.
God, I will. Okay, buddy.
Dad's in the car.
Hey, how are you?
All right, how you doing?
Good.
Another one on? Okay. All right. All right, where are you? There.
He's big like this.
He would be good.
The first time he came here, he knew every brand of everything. He loves it, you know.
There
So
we
you
go.
love something. He just loves it. Loves it.
Come here. I'm gonna make sure you're recording the end
Okay. Okay.
when I'm done.
Okay, the very end? Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
He's gonna do something special.
He's gonna go 200 for
It's impossible.
I don't know.
I'm gonna strap him in, Jay.
He's gonna start a ramp. He's gonna go for a jump.
Alright, you ready?
I'll be in the stands, Christian.
Dad, get a lot of videos, okay?
Got a lot. Dude.
Go from the stands, okay? Go in the
Yeah,
stands.
buddy.
I know. What up, dude? What's up, Trevor? Ready to go?
Oh my God, I'm so ready. By the way, do you feel the need for speed?
I always feel the need for speed.
Oh my God, yes. Yes, man. Oh, sorry.
Long waited and you finally are back in the car, huh?
Yes, I had to because I'm trying to be generous today. I'm being just like to be a good kid.
You did. You definitely did a good job.
Oh yeah. I think your phone's going off.
Yeah.
You're good. Alright, let's see. Oh, Han feels really good. You have your Hans on too?
Yes, sir.
Good. Alright, let's do it.
Have fun, bud.
Alrighty. Alright, Trevor, before we start the car, I feel the need.
For speed.
Woo! Let's go! Thank you so much, man. That was so cool.
That was crazy, huh?
Yes, I didn't know you were gonna do that.
That's your extra special prize.
Oh my God, thank you so much, Trevor. I didn't know you were gonna do that. I forgot you told me you were gonna do burnouts. Now I remember. Oh, viewers, what do you think about that? That was cool.
Got it on video and everything.
Yes. Oh my God, that was freedom. That's what you call freedom right there. Oh my.
That's what happens when we win, huh?
Yes. I didn't know you were gonna do that. Oh man, let me take my helmet off real quick.
Winners get to do burnouts.
Yes, donuts. Forward Simpson, kind of.
You're on still.
I know. I'm gonna take it off. Oh man, that is, Trevor. You know what? That visit just literally tops all my other visits out there.
Right? Can't beat the burnout, man, huh?
Oh my God, that was so cool. That was so
I'm
cool.
helping you practice for when you win, so you can do a burnout better than me.
Now I know how it feels to go and to do donuts.
That's it.
Oh my God, I think you're the new lug nut now.
I don't know. You know I did it? I did it the other day. Shh. Don't tell anybody.
Okay, I won't tell anyone.
I did it the other day.
Whatever.
It was like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, whatever.
Or not 2 weeks ago. Like a couple weeks ago, yeah.
In fact, I actually saw you do it in your Sunrise Ford suit. That's why when I watched the videos on LBTV,
Yeah.
I see the Sunrise Ford suit clearly. I know that's you.
Totally.
Oh my God, that was. Oh my God, I'm getting emotional right now.
Oh, that's cool though, right?
I know, yeah.
It's because you're my dog.
Thank you so much, Trevor. You are literally the best.
No, you're the best.
Oh,
Your
thank
whole
you.
family is the best.
I appreciate it, bro. Oh my God, that was cool. Did you get the burnouts? Oh my
Come
God.
on. Of course you did.
Oh my God, that was literally the best YouRaceLA visit ever.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my God, literally. Montana doesn't do a good job, but this one does a way better job. I'm sorry, Fontana, but you had your chance to do burnouts. Oh my God, that was. Ah! Oh my God.
Gotcha.
I knew
Yes! Now I know how it feels to be a winner.
That's awesome.
Winners do that. Oh